Get ready for a side-splitting construction fail roundup. From wobbly scaffolds to rogue cement mixers, these clips are comedy gold. Like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more hilarity. Thanks for being here. Let's roll with the chaos.
Hey, you laugh legends! So tell me, didn't those construction bloopers have you in stitches? Were my worksite jesters making you cackle so loud you scared your cat off the couch? Don't bolt yet. The next clips are going to be funnier than a cement truck moonlighting as a comedian. Expect epic fails and machinery with a flair for the dramatic. Ditch us now and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy roast. Subscribe, share your reactions, and let's keep this laughter train rolling. All right, we're calling it a day. If you didn't laugh, you're probably a robot. Thanks for sticking with me. See you at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Toodles!